Hey there! I'm so glad you've joined me today. If you're a new parent, you might be wondering about the best way to take care of those tiny baby teeth. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the art of brushing your baby's teeth. It might seem a bit daunting at first, but trust me, it's crucial for their health, and not as complex as it sounds. First off, why is it so important? Baby teeth are more than just adorable. They play a vital role in your child's health and development. They help in speech development, maintain space for permanent teeth, and of course are essential for chewing food. Now, let's address a common challenge: resistance. Many babies might not like the idea of brushing, but don't worry, it's a phase, and with patience, you'll both get through it. Here's a pro tip. Start with a small, soft bristled brush. These are gentle on their gums and make the experience more comfortable. And remember, use non-fluoride toothpaste until your little one learns to spit it out. Now here comes the fun part. Let's demonstrate how to do it. You'll want to cradle your baby's head gently, use small circular motions, and don't forget to brush the gums lightly. It's all about being gentle but thorough. Consistency is key. Try to make this a fun part of your daily routine, maybe sing a little song while doing it, or create a game out of it. This not only makes it easier, but also helps your baby look forward to brushing time. Let's recap: starting early is essential. Use the right tools and keep it fun and gentle. You're setting up your baby for a lifetime of good dental health. And before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Do you have any tips or tricks that worked for you? Drop your experiences and ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy parenting tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Now let's talk a bit more about the tools you'll need. There are various types of baby toothbrushes available, from finger brushes to small, soft bristled brushes. Finger brushes are great for the initial stages when your baby is just getting used to the sensation. As they grow, you can transition to a toothbrush with a handle, which helps them learn to hold it themselves. When it comes to toothpaste, start with a non-fluoride option. This is safe for babies who haven't yet learned to spit. Use just a tiny, pea-sized amount of toothpaste. This is enough to clean their teeth without overwhelming them. Make sure to brush twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. This helps establish a routine. Creating a consistent routine is key to making brushing a habit for your baby. You can even make it a family activity. Brush your teeth together to show your baby that it's a normal part of daily life. Babies love to mimic their parents, so let them see you brushing your teeth too. Turn brushing time into a fun game. You can sing songs, make funny faces, or tell a story while brushing. The goal is to make it an enjoyable experience so your baby looks forward to it. Investing in a baby dental care kit can also be helpful. These kits often include everything you need to get started. There are also many great books and resources available that can guide you through the process. Reading a book about brushing teeth can make the concept more familiar and less intimidating for your baby. Remember, the goal is to establish a positive association with brushing from an early age. With patience, consistency, and a bit of creativity, you can make brushing a fun and essential part of your baby's daily routine. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy parenting tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.